I know the character was a little aggressive. And as you can tell, I mean, look how the character was for the so-called community he was trying to entertain. The proxy chat, right? The gamers, right? Everybody, those guys in the lobby. Yeah. Holy shit, huh? Alright, here we go. That guy actually got that was a real dude. He got sniped.
Ultra One, Dino Force inbound for extraction. We're 2 clicks out.
Dude, I sniped a real guy.
Ultra
On
One,
a
we have
train,
visual on the
bro.
LZ. Keep it clear.
Let's go, bro. We're going straight to editing live. We're gonna call this the Lupo St. Jude train snipe.
Dino Force at the extract point. Be advised, we can't stay here long. Dino 4 to actual. All objectives and personnel secure. RTV at this time.
Oh yeah, we got away with a cast off, baby. It's my first time finding it, running around with this AR. Let's go. Got some vests, those are crucial. Self-res. And we got a video. Dude got absolutely sniped from a train. You got smacked with the cast off, and then you got thirsted to the train just in case he had a self, or if anyone was around the corner. Let's go, man. Call that Lupo St. Jude train sniping. Successful exfil. Oh, we don't throw his name in there though. Call that successful exfil snipes. And then probably riding on the train, probably till when he pulls up, and then he thought he was gonna get me. But then, like he pulled up with a whole army that was right next to him, and they just distracted him, and then boom, I let him have it as soon as I saw an opening. Now I could have just curled down in there and we could have just been like, oh my God, then, he probably would have, just jumped on the train as a surprise because, playing timid. But nah, Sonny Jim. He got smacked. Now he's in the video. I got chill on that one, bro. That was a fight for Xville. He pulled up on the Jeep. We were like, oh. I had to make it was a quick decision there because, he got the Jeep. So